whilst attending that, our elders then bought this place, this building, and then I remember we used to hold our services in the basement, in the small room in the basement. Later on, obviously, as we got this place refurbished and tidied up a bit, then we moved to the floor which is below me. This was still open at that time, so there was no floor here. It's an interesting place, especially being young children. Well, I actually joined the police service in 2006. As far as I knew, there were no Sikh officers inside the police. One of my youngest maternal uncles, he was a sergeant in
Hello, my name is Tatiana. I am from Ukraine. I come here 1 month ago because of situation in my motherland. I escaped in March, and first I was in Poland, and I decided what should I do next. And I know a little bit English, and I decided to go in the United Kingdom. From childhood I studied a lot about this country, and it was pleasant for me to be here. When I come here, I was surprised because British people are very friendly and open. They help in any situation, and it's very pleasant to feel such help from you. Except British government also help us a lot. It's accommodation, it's financial support. So Ukrainian people have an opportunity to live here, to live, to support, to live, to work, to study, to do everything what British people can do, and it's very pleasant, very nice. I like your country. Yeah, I was in London once and come here in Wales, so I can't compare with Scotland or England. Now I'm here, and I can say about Wales. I feel that it's a democratic country. People have rights. People have their opinion, and they have an opportunity to develop, to work, to study. I feel good here. I am alone here without family. My parents are in Ukraine now.
It was resolved
on southern Ukraine under occupation of Russian soldiers.
as the rules and regulations of the Cardiff dispensary.
We are in touch.
Resolved that the Marquis of Bute be president and all subscribers of £5 and 5 shillings annually be vice presidents of this institution. Resolved that the following gentlemen form a committee for the ensuing year: Walter Coffin, R. Blakemore, R. Griffiths, T. Charles, T. Vaughan, J. Langley Esquire, the Reverend T. Davis, J. T. M. Traherne, and Thomas Stacey. Resolved that the following medical gentlemen be the medical officers of the institution: General Meeting John Moore Esquire, MD, William Hopkins Esquire, MD, and Richard Rees and James Lewis Esquire. A report of the institution shall be submitted, all new rules discussed, and the committee, treasurer, and medical officers for the year ensuing. Messrs. Savoury and Co. 11. The business of the institution shall be conducted by a committee of 13 doctors, including the physicians and surgeons, and 5 shall be a quorum, but this 5 shall comprise 3 who are not medical officers of the institution. This committee shall have the power of calling special meetings on given 10 days' notice, shall examine all accounts and order the payment of such bills as they